Hello everyone and welcome to another yoga stretch. So for today, we're going to focus only on opening your shoulders and also your chest. You're going to need some equipment. So I want you to grab a broom, a stick, whatever, because we're going to open your internal rotator cuff. And then to be comfy, I just want you to grab a cushion as well, just to rest your head. Okay? So we're going to start right here. Bring your arms behind your back, shoulders are down, away from your ears, and push your chest towards the front of the room. So your head is not falling back. You just keep it in front and looking slightly up at the sky. So just breathe here. Feel the opening at the front of your shoulders. Breathe deeply. That's it. And slowly release. And let's rotate your shoulders backwards. I like inhaling up and exhale down and back. Good. I'm going to bring my right arm right here and I'm just going to go to the side. So I'm pressing gently into my left hand to keep my buttock in contact with the earth. And try to rotate your heart towards the sky. Breathe. That's it. And feel that stretch on the long side of your body. Stretching underneath your shoulder. The attachment. And inhale up. Exhale to release. Let's do the same thing. Left arm by your side. And let's go up. Press again gently into your right hand. And then rotate your heart towards the sky. You can look straight ahead or you can look at your elbow. Just listen to the limit of your neck. Inhale up and exhale to release. Let's rotate again your shoulders backwards. Inhale up, exhale down and back. And then we can release. I like we can stand up. Do you remember a few videos earlier? We were doing the rotation to open the chest. I like we can use the wall. And that's a tool you can use anytime. If you do a lot of desk job, please use the wall to do it. So I'm going to bring my closest leg to the wall. Bring your hand on the wall as well and your shoulder. There we go. Okay. So my hand is a little bit lower than your shoulder. Shoulders are down and back and look straight ahead. So our goal is to rotate the shoulders. You can even bring your other arm behind your back and just breathe here. I like as well to do the door stretch. If you have a door frame you can use, go for it. So try to hold it for 30 seconds to a minute and just breathe into it. So chest is tight. I'm gonna slowly release and let's switch sides. So same thing. I'm gonna bring my foot and my leg against the wall. And then I'm gonna bring my arm behind. Hand lower than the shoulder. Bring your shoulder against the wall and look straight ahead. Breathe. Start your breath from the stomach. We all have a tummy. That's it. And again, 30 seconds to a minute. This is good to do even twice a day if you have a chance. 30 seconds is not much in your day. Are you still breathing? And we're going to slowly release, and you can rotate again the shoulders backwards. Let's go back seated. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So this is what I do as well with my personal training clients to check their mobility, range of motion in their shoulders. So I invite them to lay on their backs, just like that, and open their elbows. Usually I put something else underneath here, that way their shoulders are in line with their elbows, okay? And then I'm gonna open at the back, and then I'm gonna come right here at the front. So you can tell my external rotator cuffs are tight. If I go at the back, I'm okay, okay? So my internal are fine, but I know I need to stretch and strengthening as well my external rotator cuff. Okay, stay seated. You're gonna grab your broom, your stick, whatever you have, and I'm gonna be on my knees right here. Tuck your toes under, see, tuck your toes under like that, and try to sit on your heels. So we have a lot of tension underneath our toes as well. So let's start with your right hand. So you're gonna put the stick behind your elbow. So see, I'm bending my elbow right here, 90 degrees. And then with my left hand, grabbing the bottom, shoulders are down and back, and I'm just gonna pull forward the base of the stick here to open right here my internal rotator cuff. See, I don't have problem here because my hand is going further than my elbow. So you can just hold it and breathe. Anytime it's too much for your toes, just come up. Just breathe. Okay, let's release. We're going to do the same thing. Switch your hands left. Put it behind your elbow using your right hand. Grab the bottom and pull towards the front of the room. So again, 90 degree at your elbow. So the bar is right in my mid biceps. Then if you want to flatten your toes, go ahead and just sit. That way you're going to stretch the front of your feet. Sometimes I have cramps right there. And as well, the front of your legs. So shoulders are down and look straight ahead. And just go back to your breath. That's it. And slowly release, rotate your shoulders backwards. So when people play tennis or pickleball or even baseball, usually shoulders injuries are related to rotator cuff. So that's why we need to stretch, but also to strengthen them, especially the external ones. Okay, now I'm going to come right here on my cushion. Stay right there. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm laying on my side. And I'm going to bring my elbow in line with my shoulder. And again, you can put something else right here underneath to have your elbow more in line with your shoulder. And then I'm going to use my other hand here. So say I have a 90 degree. I'm just going to press right here. So keep that 90 degree at your elbow. and press down. So rest your head right here on the cushion and just breathe. So your shoulder is in line with your elbow, 90 degree at your elbow. Press on your wrist. See, you can tell. I don't know many people that don't have problem with their shoulders. It's pretty rare. Just breathe again. So that's one. If you're tight here, hold it 30 seconds to a minute. Feel it at the back of your shoulder. Right there, usually right on top on your shoulder as well. This is usually where we tear the rotator cuff. Can we stay again for 4 more deep breaths? Two more. And last one. That's it. And you can slowly release. Oh, I feel that. Good. Push yourself. Turn around. I'm just going to switch side on my mat. That's why I'm going to still face you. So again, bring your elbow in line with your shoulder. 90 degree at your elbow. And you're just going to press down on the wrist right here. And notice the difference between both sides. There's always one tighter than the other one. So this is tighter for me, and I feel it again right on top. Breathe. Try to relax the rest of your body, including your jaw. So shoulders, the shoulder joint, it's fragile and it can be very unstable. So if somebody dislock the shoulder, the risk for her or him to dislocate the shoulder again is pretty high. So that's why we need to keep the shoulders flexible but also strong. Four more deep breaths. Last one. That's it. And you can slowly release and push yourself in a seated position. Voila. Quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed this little stretch for your shoulders and see you soon.